Transform your website into a customer engagement powerhouse by seamlessly integrating Zendesk Live Chat. First, navigate to your Zendesk Admin Center from the left-hand menu, locate and click on Channels. Then select Widget. This is where we'll begin integrating live chat. Within the widget settings, you'll find an installation tab here. Zendesk provides you with a snippet of code specifically designed for your website. This code is the key to unlocking live chat functionality for your visitors. The next step is to copy this unique code snippet. You'll then need to access your website's backend or theme files. Paste this code just before the closing body tag of your website's HTML. This ensures the chat widget loads correctly on every page of your site. Now, let's tailor the appearance of your chat widget to match your brand. In the Customization tab, you can adjust colors, change the welcome message, and even select the preferred position of the chat bubble on your website. Make it feel like a natural extension of your brand. To get your team ready, head over to the Agents section here. You can add individual team members who will be handling the live chat interactions, assign them roles, set their availability, and ensure they're equipped to provide excellent customer support. Once installed and configured, your Zendesk Live Chat widget will appear on your website, ready to connect you with your customers in real time, boosting engagement and customer satisfaction.